All right, what's going on, traders? Welcome back to the live stream. So we're back from the trading retreat, back on streaming after a week off, and back with another banging winning trade. So today we took 26 ticks live on stream, live on YouTube on the 13th of May. You guys can, as always, go back on the live stream channel, watch the full trade, watch me giving the sell stop, giving the stop loss, giving the entry, all of that good stuff, and taking this whole position live on stream. So this is the trade we took here live today. Now, again, this was just another amazing liquidity trade. And, you know, people were asking me on stream today, can I break down the liquidity strategy? Can I break down my strategy? Well, in these videos, guys, this is what these always are. These are me giving you guys live examples of our trading plan working. So this is the trade here on gold. And if I just replay to what I was saying on stream, and if we go to the higher time frame here on gold, what I was basically saying to everyone today is these rejections on gold, this would be where I would imagine most people would probably look at this level of support, draw it like this from, you know, maybe the highs of the bodies to the low of the range. And anytime you tap into this support once, twice, three times, this is going to be an amazing place where people are going to jump in longs. And if we haven't grabbed the lows of the range, then that becomes our liquidity level. And that is where we want to be selling gold into. We want to be trading into where most people are trying to either buy or sell. You know, if we're looking for some longs today, we want to take the liquidity and then we want to look for the longs. And if we can get a good opportunity to do so, we can be taking shorts before then the liquidity grab happens and then you push back up. And that's exactly what we did. So drop down to the 15 here on gold, and what I was basically saying on stream, again, same stuff, is to the highs. You know, you got two equal highs, so even if gold's going to see this push down, we need to grab the liquidity to the highs. And before this candle was forming, this was actually kind of rejecting from this level. So you had 1, 2, 3 equal highs, and I said to the guys on stream, as always, you guys can go back and watch it, I will put in a sell stop once you actually grab these 15 highs. You then grab the 15 highs. I then dropped down to the 5 minute. This was the 15 high. You then fast forward on, you came up, you liquidated the previous 15 highs, then failed to close above this resistance with a decent downside target of anywhere from this region. You're looking at 27, about 30 ticks, and then potentially runners into 47 to even 50. So once this wicked out the highs, closed back bearish, the next 15 opened with this instant top wick. So we had a sell stop on the break of the low. And I said to the guys, stop loss is going to be above this liquidity high, because if we break that, there's a high chance that gold just keeps pushing up. So we do not need to risk any more than that. We don't need a stop loss above here, above here, above here. If this is a true liquidity grab, price will not need to break that. But if it does break that, we are happy to be wrong, and then who knows, you close back above here, we'll cut our shorts and we'll even look to take some longs back to the upside. But we got tagged in with a fantastic entry here. Our stop loss went to break even only once we cleared the level. So original stop loss was around 15 ticks. Now once this pushed back down and we got tagged in, my stop loss was then reduced to around this level here, because, like, you know, we've just closed bearish, we've closed below the support. If we now start re-breaking higher and break previous 5 minute highs, you may just either continue to range or you just could start breaking higher. We don't really want to be in the trade. So we went from risking 15 to, once we got tagged in and closed bearish, only risking 9 ticks. And the next 5 came up. Instant top wick again, no bottom wick at all. So I was like, cool, amazing. If we want to see this continue pushing down, we need to push up, create the top wick, and then boom, re-break the lows. And at this point here, we went to break even straight away, because you will not need to come anywhere back near this level now. And at this point, we hit 16 ticks. Some people may take partials there. I personally didn't, because I was very, very confident in this little liquidity level down here. People jump in these longs. Apologies. People jump in these longs, put their stop loss, you know, here, jump in longs, stop loss just down below this low. So I was like, cool, we got an amazing double bottom here, and we also have this 15 level here. So as soon as we grab the lows, boom, that's our TP, job done right there. And I closed the trade right there for around $266, which I'll show you guys in a second. And then bam, once that grabbed the liquidity, we went from being in around, you know, 30 ticks to then back down to 15. So entry and exit were very, very nice. And if we just skip price onto, and it probably would have got us back out at break even there. And if I didn't take this live, you guys would probably be like, there's a high chance you probably didn't exit there. Well, the whole position was taken live on stream. And if I just show you guys the position here, we open up the trades, bring this up just so you guys can see, 50K express funded account. Entry was at around, where are we? 20, this is the 4th, this is the date. We were in this for a total of, entered at 5:30. We were out by 15 minutes later. Entered in at 23,558, and exit price was 23,503.1 for a total of $270 just trading one contract on gold futures. If you traded this at 2, double that. Don't know what it is, but it's pretty good. 27 ticks, one contract, express 50K funded account here. Absolutely amazing way to start back on the stream. Whole position was taken on live, and I'll be live again for the rest of the week, every single day, 7 till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Peace.